IELTS 9.0. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel English with Altaf. I'm Annie. In today's video, we're going to give you a complete and easy to understand guide to prepare for IELTS and aim for a 9.0 band score.
Hi everyone, I'm Altaf. If you're planning to take the IELTS exam and dream of getting a 9.0 band, this video is exactly for you. From listening to speaking, we'll explain the tips, techniques, and strategies that really work.
Let's start with a quick overview. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It checks your English skills in 4 parts: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Getting a 9.0 band means you're an expert user of English. It's not impossible. With the right strategy and smart practice, you can do it.
Yes, Annie. But before we talk about tips, let's understand the test structure. In listening, you have to answer 40 questions after listening to 4 recordings. In reading, you also answer 40 questions from 3 long passages. Writing has 2 tasks, and speaking is a face-to-face interview.
Let's start with listening. This part is usually 30 minutes long. To get a high band, you must improve your listening comprehension, vocabulary, and focus. Listen to podcasts, TED Talks, and news reports in English every day. Write down new words and practice listening with subtitles first, then without.
Exactly. And always practice with IELTS sample tests. Focus on understanding different accents like British, Australian, and Canadian. Also, improve your spelling. One wrong spelling can lose your mark. Practice catching key words and ignoring distractions. Remember, you only hear the audio once.
Now let's move to reading. Reading is all about time management and scanning skills. You have 60 minutes to complete 3 long passages. Try to read every day, newspapers, journals, or online articles. Practice skimming for the main idea and scanning for specific details.
To score a band 9, you need to be quick and accurate. Use a timer when you practice. Identify question types like true, false, not given, matching headings, or sentence completion. Don't spend too much time on one question. If you don't know the answer, move on and come back later.
Let's talk about writing now. This is where many students struggle. In Task 1, you describe a graph, chart, or process. In Task 2, you write an essay. To get a 9.0 band, your writing must be clear, organized, and have advanced vocabulary and grammar.
That's right. For Task 1, learn how to describe trends, increase, decrease, fluctuation. Use linking words like however, in contrast, overall, and as a result. For Task 2, structure your essay into 4 to 5 paragraphs. Introduction, 2 or 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion.
Make sure your ideas are connected logically. Don't repeat the same words. Instead of important, use crucial, essential, or significant. Also, avoid using informal words like kids or stuff. IELTS. Writing needs formal academic language.
Practice writing essays every week. After writing, always check for grammar errors, sentence structure, and vocabulary. You can use online grammar tools, but it's better if an English teacher checks your work. That way, you know your exact level and how to improve.
Now the final part, speaking. This test is like a short interview and takes 14 minutes. It has three parts: introduction, a long turn, cue card, and follow-up questions. The best way to prepare is to speak in English daily.
Yes, fluency and confidence matter a lot. Don't memorize answers. Speak naturally and clearly. Use a wide range of vocabulary and grammatical structures. Try to answer fully, not just yes or no. For example, if they ask about your hobbies, say something like, I really enjoy painting in my free time because it helps me relax and express myself creatively.
Also, record yourself speaking on IELTS topics and listen to the recording. Notice your grammar mistakes, pronunciation, and fillers like or practice with a friend or teacher to get feedback.
Some helpful topics to practice speaking are your hometown, favorite book, a recent journey, a person you admire, your goals, or your favorite festival. Prepare answers and keep improving them.
Now, let's talk about the general tips for getting 9.0 in IELTS. First of all, start preparing early. Give yourself at least 2 to 3 months. Make a daily study plan. Focus more on your weak areas, but keep practicing all 4 modules regularly.
Use authentic materials like Cambridge IELTS books, British Council practice tests, or online platforms like IELTS Liz and IELTS Simon. Don't waste time with unverified content. Take one full mock test every week to check your improvement.
Keep a vocabulary journal. Every day, learn 5 new words. Write their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Try to use these words in writing and speaking practice.
Also, don't ignore grammar. Review tenses, articles, conditionals, passive voice, and sentence structures. Grammar mistakes can lower your band score even if your ideas are good.
And don't forget about pronunciation. Practice the correct sounds, stress, and intonation. You can use YouTube channels or apps like Elsa Speak or BBC Learning English.
Try to create an English environment around you. Watch English movies, talk to people in English, and think in English. This will help you improve naturally and faster.
Finally, take care of your health before the exam. Sleep well, eat healthy, and stay calm. On the exam day, reach the center early, carry all the required documents, and stay confident.
Let's quickly review what we have learned today. We explain the IELTS test format, tips to score a 9.0 in listening, reading, writing, and speaking, and general strategies to succeed.
Remember, getting a 9.0 in IELTS is not just about studying hard, it's about studying smart. With regular practice, the right methods, and a positive attitude, you can achieve your goal.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel English with Altaf, and share it with friends who are preparing for IELTS.
And if you have any questions or want more videos like this, please write in the comments. We're here to help you.
See you in the next video. All the best for your IELTS exam.